4.0 journey with Utitech as your trusted partner. Together, we'll transform your operations through innovative automation solutions. With over 3 decades of experience, Utitech has been at the forefront of driving industrial digital transformation. We seamlessly integrate equipment, materials, processes, and manpower to create intelligent factories that optimize efficiency and productivity. Our expertise lies in delivering comprehensive automation system integration. Powered by AVEVA Industrial Control Solutions and custom-built software solutions, we have a proven track record of success in collaborating with leading industrial enterprises across Asia Pacific, including semiconductor, petrochemical, and infrastructure sectors. As the AI era unfolds, we establish the foundation of data to propel your business forward and empower your company to stay ahead of the competition.
Utitech Services covers many key industries in Taiwan, not just semiconductors, but all high-tech industries, petrochemicals, steel, energy, infrastructure, as well as CPG and bio.
From conceptualization to implementation and beyond, Utitech provides end-to-end support, including system design, software development, and comprehensive training. Our commitment to your success is unwavering. Let's build a future where your vision becomes a reality